Hey, Rogers Motor Cars here. We've got a 2003 Chevy Corvette. This is the 50th anniversary edition car in burgundy with the shell interior. It's a nice car. This one has 65,000 miles on the clock. It's a two-owner car. I will say up front, this car was a Chevy buyback. Very early on in its life, around 18,000 miles. It's on the Carfax that you can get for free on our website. Don't know the reason why. I'm trying to get a hold of Chevy for that. However, the second owner of the car put about 47,000 miles on it and never had a problem. Drove it to Canada twice, up and down the California coast. We do have a lot of records from the second owner with this car. He's got a binder, car cover, there's a duster in there. We've got a windscreen, 2 keys, 2 remotes, owner's manuals. The tires are new on this car. Sometimes those buybacks can be something very minimum, like a window regulator. It's not always a bad thing, but this car is priced well below market. It does have a clean title. Minimal wear and tear on the car on the inside, just like most of these Corvettes have. There's no scratches or dings on the car. There's maybe 1 or 2 little wheel curb rashes. Looks like they put a weight right there. That scuffed up the paint. It's got all the 50th anniversary markings. I believe they made about 10,000 of these. They're all the same color. It's got heads-up display, magnetic ride control, Bose sound system. This one's an automatic. This passenger seat looks really good. There's no wear on the console. This driver's seat has a little bit of wear on the bolster. Right there. Otherwise, really nice. Everything works. If you're looking for a inexpensive, fun convertible, I mean, it's a Corvette. Runs and drives great. No surprises, no funny noises. Totally stock, no aftermarket parts on this car. Give us a call if you have any questions. You can text us also, email. Always respond quickly. Happy to do any other videos that you'd like or any photo requests. No rust. This car wasn't in the north, the northeast. It was always in the south here. Picked this car up from a client, somebody we know, a referral from his son. The website is rogersmotorcars.com.